It was a quiet evening in April. The sky was full of gray clouds. The air smelled like rain. Anna sat by the small cafe window. She wore a soft yellow dress. Her hands held a warm cup of tea. She looked outside, waiting. The bell on the door rang. James walked in. His dark hair was wet. He smiled when he saw her. "Hi," he said softly. "I didn't think you'd come." Anna smiled back. "I said I would, didn't I?" He took off his coat and sat across from her. For a few seconds, they just looked at each other. Then they both laughed. The kind of laugh that only two people who know each other deeply can share. "It's been 2 years," James said. "I counted." Anna nodded. "I counted too." He looked into her eyes. "Why did you stop writing?" Anna looked down. "I was afraid. I thought you had moved on." James leaned forward. "I never did. Not even for a day." Rain began to fall. Soft drops hit the window. Anna watched them slide down the glass. "I kept all your letters," she whispered. "They were the only thing that made me feel close to you." He reached for her hand. "I wrote one more, but I never sent it." "Why?" she asked. "Because I was waiting to give it to you. Like this." He pulled a small folded paper from his pocket. She opened it slowly. Inside were just 4 words. "Will you come home?" Tears filled her eyes. Not from sadness, from relief, from peace, from love. She looked up. "Yes," she said. "Yes, I will." The rain outside grew stronger, but inside, it was warm, full of light, and full of love. "Let's learn some new words from the story, shall we?" Whispered. This means to speak in a soft, quiet voice. Promise. This means a strong decision to do something or not do something. Alone. This means without anyone else. Suddenly. This means quickly and without warning. Forever. This means for all time without end. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to learn English through Stories with Jennifer. We post new English stories every day to help you speak better and understand more. Join us again tomorrow. 40.